And it's always the girls with the bobs be doing it. Like, I'm about to cut my hair to a bob. I don't know how it's gonna happen, but I'm about to cut my hair to a bob, and I'm about to be like her. This dress is everything. And she knew it because she was just like this. Hi, my baby bears. It's me, Goldie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's the gaga? What's tea? What's good? Well, I know. I've been out for a while. Long story, I'll get back into it in another video, but today's video is very, very, very exciting. Everyone knows it's prom season. So in this video, I decided to do a whole prom reaction to like the best dresses I've seen so far, and there has been so many good dresses. Like, I don't know what's going on in this generation, but it has evolved. This is not prom anymore. This is a fashion show. This is a wedding. This is, hell, a funeral. These girls are coming out. They're coming out stepping, and like when I say if you don't get in line, you're gonna be left behind. Like, seriously, these girls are sickening. Sickening girls. I don't understand what's going on in this generation. This stuff has evolved. Like, basic prom dresses to like, I don't even know what the hell this is, to be honest. But hey, let's get into this video. By the way, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave a comment down below on which dress you feel is your favorite dress. And let's get into the video. By the way, these are my favorite dresses. Doesn't mean that you're gonna like them. It doesn't mean that they're the best in general. It's my opinion. It's my video. So if you like them, you like them. If you don't, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, girl. I love these dresses. These dresses are disgusting. The first two dresses are going to be biased because these are girls that mean so much to me. So shout out to my sister Diamond and my daughter Sharnice. See, we're going to start off with my daughter. This dress is beautiful. My daughter ate this up. And it's not even the dress, it's the shoes, it's the hair. Everything corresponds with each other. It's like, I don't even know, like this purple pink mix is just everything. Like, oh my god. Like, when I saw this dress, I literally started crying because, for one, she's my child. We're gonna talk about my sister Diamond. When I say royal, I mean royal. Like, this blue is everything. Everything. Like, I don't even know how to explain this dress. This dress speaks for itself. Her chocolate, beautiful skin. Her makeup is beat elegantly. Her hair is up. Curls. Curls. And this dress, like the flowers, the train. It's just, it's giving me very much so, I am the queen, bow down. Very much so, bow down. Like, this dress is everything. This dress was really simple, but it was very statement vibe. Like, it gave me very crystal, like, very sparkles. It gave me, like, and it's always the girls with the bobs be doing it. Like, I'm about to cut my hair to a bob. I don't know how it's gonna happen, but I'm about to cut my hair to a bob, and I'm about to be like her. This dress is everything. And she knew it because she was just like this. Like, that was her mug. The whole... I can't do this with these girls this year. I really can't. This is why I said funeral. And this is why I said funeral. And there's no shade to her because this dress is everything. But this is giving me funeral vibe. This is giving me very much so, hey, bitch, excuse my language. Excuse my language. This is giving very much so, I killed my husband and I'm here to rejoice. I'm rejoicing because he cheated on me 7 times. He cheated on me 7 times, but this is giving very much so, I'm at his funeral, it's about to rain. I just can't. So we have this next girl. Honestly, I don't really like the hair. I'm just be real. The hair I don't like because I feel like she's, well, one, she's giving me Ice Princess down. Ice Princess down. Elsa, you better watch out, girl, because she's about to let it go on you. Let it go. Let it go. Elsa move. This gave me very futuristic. It gave me very Frozen. Like, it gave me very, like, iced out. She gave me Cash Doll, Ice Me Out. Like, very much so Cash Doll, Ice Me the out, nigga. Period. That's what she's giving me. But the hair, I really felt, I like the color, and it's not the color. This the bob, but it's not the bob that I want for her. And I just want her hair to be up, like pushed up, because the dress is already speaking so much. It's speaking so much, and it's giving everything. A lot of people might disagree, and I don't really care what you think. This dress, to me, is everything. It's the first short dress that spoke to me in, like, forever. Like, I used to think that short dresses are only for middle school, and that's no shade. But Mama is giving me very much so. She's giving me very much so, hey, short dresses are in. You just have to know how to work them. And she's very much working this dress with the ruffles. This is everything. The feathers up here, the boobs, like, and then her date, like, I don't know if they're together, but LGBT people. Oh, LGBT! I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that. But this is everything. She really embodied this dress. Like, oh my God. And like I said again, the girls with the bob. Bobbianas. Y'all is eating this stuff up. This dress is giving me very much so wet and vibe. And her date is cute as hell. No shade right here. But anyways, the dress is everything. It's giving me very much so she's about to walk down the aisle. She's giving me very much so here comes the bride tease. Cue the music. Everyone stand up. Like, it's giving me very much so I want to cry and walk her down the aisle, but very much so. And this girl, the bobs, like, these bobs is just, if you have a bob this year, you already won prom. And that's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say is if you have a bob, you won prom. You literally won prom. I don't care. This dress kind of reminds me of my daughter dress. Giving me mermaid vibe. It's giving me very much so Ariel. She lost her voice and her dress can speak for her. And her dress is saying bye. It's saying bye, I don't need you in my life, period. It's giving me very much so. And she also has a bob. What did I say about the girls with the bobs? Okay, next year, it's going to be illegal to have a bob if you're not going to slay prom. I promise you, if you don't slay prom with a bob, I'm going to sue you. No, that don't mean you have to have a bob. I'm just saying, if you have a bob for prom, you must slay. Because the girls with the bobs is just, I don't know what y'all going through, but y'all, it's hurting my heart. Okay? I can't do this. I really can't. This is my wedding dress. I know it's for prom and she ate this up, but this is my wedding dress. This is what I see myself walking down the aisle in. Not for real, because I'm not wearing a wedding dress at all. But really, like, this is iconic. This is beautiful. This is elegant. This is everything. This is giving... Like, I want to go to her wedding. Like, I want to go. Who is she getting married to? Is it a man or a woman? I don't know, but very much so. This is the dress. You know, the show Say Yes to the Dress? This is very much so the dress I want the girl to wear. Period. If you don't see this dress in the store, get out. Run. Like, this dress, honestly, I just want her to know I quit. Like, I quit. I don't wanna dress up no more. I don't wanna do it. Like, you won for this year, last year, the year before. Like, girl, this dress is just everything. The detail, these trains this year has just got to, like, you have to stop because my heart is hurting. These trains is literally gonna cause an accident. You know when the railroad thing when they come down and, like, people is still trying to go, I'm literally in the middle of the tracks and you was about to run me over with this train. And I promise you, I'm just gonna say goodbye and I'm just gonna stand there like, run me over. Run me over now. Because this is everything. Like, honestly, I don't know. Why are y'all doing this to me? Why? This girl ate it up in a simple orange dress. Her hair is short cut, blonde cut, curly. You know, something like this, you know, hers a little longer. But, you know, it don't matter. She ate this up, face beat, earrings simple, outfit simple, but she still ate it up like a goddess. Like, she looks like she belongs in the clouds with the gods. She's a goddess. I'm just convinced. I'm really convinced that she's a goddess. Like, she's the goddess of love and beauty. This dress is giving me, like, you know, the Atlanteans and how they look. Like, it's giving me Atlantean vibe. It's giving me very much. And her body, like, she's not a thin girl at all. And she's very curvy. And her body is just molding this dress. Like, I'm trying to get like her. Honestly, I want to be like her. Like, when I grow up, I want to shape like that, period. And like I said, the trains this year, I don't know what y'all doing, but the trains this year is crazy. The trains this year is crazy, and I'm trying to get like her, for real, for real. Okay, this girl, like, I love this picture. When I saw this picture, I was just like, okay, you got a baby. Like, girl, you automatically win with me. You win because you have a baby. And no shade, the dress is beautiful. I love the gold and I love the green together. It's giving me general vibes. It's giving me very much so I'm in the army. But I'm not finna move a muscle. It's giving me very much so attention. That's what it's giving me. It's giving me attention, and literally that's what she gets in this dress. It's attention. Like, the dress is everything. The details, the train. This dress is screaming extra to me. Like, and everybody knows I'm an extra. I'm really extra. And this is what I am. I'm extra. And this gives me extra. It gives me long train. It gives me body. It gives me curly hair. Curly hair. Hair is down to right about here, you know, the midsection or whatever. It's giving me that, and she is just glowing. She is beautiful. This all white, and then it's supposed to be like the skin tone nude fabric underneath. It's giving me very much so beautiful. Like, I just love this dress. I don't know what it is about this dress, but that dress reads off beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, and like I said, it's always the girls with the vibes. This color complements her skin so beautifully. It's like a creamy, I don't know, like a cream orange, beige. I don't know how to explain it. I love the train. I love how she has her train set up. It's giving me very much a pie crust set up, but a pie that I want to eat. Like, I want to eat every bit of this crust, and I don't need no filling. She is the filling. Like, she's giving me very much so beautiful. I love this. No shade. These girls has really, like, really done a good job this year, and I commend you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Also, don't forget to click the bell notification at the bottom so that you'll be notified for the next time I post my videos. If you guys want to see another video, just make sure you comment down below. Also, comment down below on which dress you think is the best. Which one is your favorite? Which one do you like out of all of these dresses? Honestly, I could pick which one I wanted the most, because honestly, these girls are disgusting. They're nasty. They're like, these girls are just different creatures. I don't know. Like, I really don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Make sure you stay tuned to more videos. Bye. Mwah.